In this video, we're going to take a look at group messaging in Hullo. We'll also look at how Hullo's Smart Group feature makes managing groups and targeting personalised messages even easier. Let's get started. Like direct messages, group messages have their own shortcut here on the feed. You create and manage your groups here in your community on the Groups tab. You could send a message to everybody in your community using the All Members group, but it makes more sense to create groups that target messages to the right members. Let's create a new group so that we can talk to everyone who comes to a Monday class. We could use a list group. This works like groups in other apps like WhatsApp, where you manually add and remove people from the group when you need to. What's great in Hullo though is you can use smart groups to create the group for you. Smart groups use attribute data stored against each member to choose who should be in the group. Let's make one. I've got an attribute here called Class Day. When people have joined my channel, they've picked the days from a list that they attend classes with me. To make a list of everyone who attends on Monday, I can just choose Monday AM and Monday PM. Give it a name and save. Hullo automatically creates a group with all of the members that attend either Monday AM or Monday PM classes. Now I can use this group to message them at any time, and I'll always be messaging the right people. If data changes, the members of the group will automatically change because Hullo knows who should be in the group. So anytime I create a new message, the right people will receive it. Attributes are also used to personalise messages. So when I write a message to the group, I can use those, like first name. When I click Next, I can choose the scheduling, date and time that I'd like the message to send. And finally, I preview. I'll see the message content, the attribute bubbles are shown in red. I can see how many people it's going to send to in the group and when it's going to send. Click Confirm, and the message will be added to my pending messages. It also appears over here in the home feed as a tile if it's sending soon. I can click the tile here if I want to edit or delete the message. Once the message sends, the status will update here on the tile. If anyone replies to your group message, it becomes a direct message. So it acts just like any other direct message and appears here in your feed, and you'll also get a count in your direct messages of unread. You can click on the tile or the direct messages to reply. Group messages in Hullo are always one-to-one, so no one in the group sees each other's replies. Next, why not check out our video on creating and using attributes and learn about how to use Hullo as a CRM tool. It'll help you manage intelligent, data-driven campaigns so that you can engage and delight your members. We'll see you there.